I gotta find the recipe and I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas! I got an iPad for Christmas, which is what I wanted. What's up, guys? We make these every year. Peanut butter blossoms. So we're making those. I gotta find the recipe and I'll be right back. I don't know if this is or not. I feel like this is. This is too.
Wait, you don't like you talking.
Why don't you try to open this one? I'm so stressed.
Easy. It's an also looking one. The actual.
Oh, easy, huh?
Yeah. I knew it.
You don't want to open up a present, please.
Yeah, you can do something. Yeah, we can do whatever you want.
You finish opening presents, please. Merry Christmas! I got an iPad for Christmas, which is what I wanted. Hold on. I'm about to show you guys me unboxing this. It's yellow too, which I didn't even know they had yellow iPads. All right, guys, so this is our Christmas aftermath. It's actually not too bad considering how crazy it could have been. This is all Jonathan stuff. He is already outside with some of the stuff for him. These are some of the toys and stuff that he got. Yeah, still kind of messy, but it's fine. I'll talk to y'all later on today. I don't know when. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll talk to y'all later.